saw something impossible. A male bird, completely alone, suddenly had a nest full of eggs. He had no mate, he didn't steal them. I was watching him for days near some jungle flowers, and he was always by himself. Then one morning, there they were. He immediately started caring for them, a tiny single father against the world. I thought I'd discovered a miracle of nature. It turns out this is just what button quails do. The female lays the eggs and then completely abandons the nest, leaving the male to do all the work. He incubates the eggs and raises the chicks all on his own. It wasn't a biological miracle, but seeing his dedication was one of the most loyal and amazing things I've ever witnessed.
Subscribe if you want to be famous one day.